I'd like to welcome everybody to CKJ Crypto News. This is part of my daily 5-minute crypto significant crypto news xRapid video. Guys, I got a really good article, guys. Football and FinTech eToro set to revolutionize crypto. We'll talk about that one. Treasury didn't provide bank records. We'll talk about that one. Mercury FX fires Ripple's xRapid up in 1 billion in crypto futures last month. We'll talk about that one. And also, guys, I got a video from the Federal Reserve. They uploaded a video on Twitter. We'll talk about that. Guys, one thing I'm really excited about is just all the good news about the direction cryptocurrencies is going. For example, football and fintech, eToro set to lead revolution. Step by step, cryptocurrency and blockchain are entering the football industry, and eToro believes that it's just the very beginning of their journey in the sports world. So this is interesting, guys. As the CoinSpeaker has reported earlier in August, a global investment platform, eToro, entered a partnership with several leading Premier League clubs. It was a milestone not only for crypto world itself, but also for the football industry, as both these spheres finally meet. According to the UK manager director at eToro, thanks to the nature of cryptocurrencies and blockchain in a wide meaning, could bring numerous improvements not only to football but to other sports as well. As eToro has become a sponsor for clubs, it offers its support in cryptocurrencies, which is said to help the clubs it could use to get working with digital assets in the future and apply this technology to many processes, including tickets and selling different fan staff. So anyway, guys, this is really interesting right here. I'm expected to see the purchasing of players using Bitcoin and crypto assets. Very interesting. Cryptocurrencies are conquering the football world. Very interesting, guys, right there. We're starting to see more and more developments of sports and promotions. I think Litecoin sponsored UFC, which was, a pretty big deal. Also, guys, Grassley, Treasury didn't provide some bank records related to Russia. Now, what caught my eye about this article, guys, is this reminds me of a story I heard about the blockchain technology being the beginning of recorded history. For example, the blockchain cannot be altered. So, basically, Senate Finance Committee Chairman Chuck Grassley on Monday demanded the Treasury Department explain why it did not provide Congress with a certain bank records, sought an investigation into Russian interference in the 2016 presidential election. Now, guys, this is what is exciting about blockchain. Blockchain technology can be used as far as the voting system, know your customer. Also, the ledger cannot be manipulated. We're constantly hearing about fraud and money laundering and money going missing. So when these institutions start using this ledger, and I think this is one of the main reasons they spoke against cryptocurrencies, because guess what? It can be tracked, guys. It can be tracked. So they cannot just do anything with the money. So I'll keep a close eye on this. That's for sure. Mercury FX fires up Ripple's xRapid, sends first XRP-powered payment to the Philippines. Mercury FX, a global currency exchange provider with offices in London and Hong Kong and Cape Town, says its new xRapid payment corridor to the Philippines is up and running. This is interesting. The first payment using xRapid just completed on behalf of a client in UK who needed to send money across the world to pay for his honeymoon. March 5th. If I'm not mistaken, I've covered this article about a week ago. Mercury FX, I believe, is already live. Well, that's a good thing, guys. Mercury FX plans to open up as many as 10 new payment corridors using Ripple's xRapid. This one's interesting. 1 billion in Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash futures traded in last month. And what's interesting about this article, guys, is talking about Kraken. CEO Jesse used to be a board member at Ripple Labs. And guys, a lot of stuff's going on in California. And they're saying it's the new FinTech hub. Crypto facilities say about 1 billion in Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash futures have been traded on its platform in the past month. Wow. The company is witnessing a huge growth after being acquired by San Francisco-based crypto exchange Kraken. The head of the indices and pricing product, Sir Chung, told CoinDesk the company is experiencing a 500% growth surge in volume and 400% increase in its user base. Wow. Our daily users have gone up by a factor of 4, and that's across all products, not just major coins, but they've all seen similar growth. This could have a lot to do with what's going on with the market right now. To be honest, I think obviously having the support of a major U.S. exchange help, and obviously Kraken bringing our product set to a very loyal user base. That Kraken branding carries a lot of weight, and also the fact that because we run contracts on 5 major coins that take collateral on the major 5 coins we pay out. Interesting. Now what's also interesting, guys, 2 things caught my eye about this article. Number 1 is they're saying 5 major coins. So they're basically saying Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash are the 5 major coins. Now I believe when Bot goes live, they're not going to care if who argue with who's better than who. They're going to list what ones that are popular. So like I said, guys, I would start taking a look at, if you're in XRP, you're good. But like I said, anyway, also, guys, Kraken, I remember Jesse from Kraken, CEO, just issued a change for the Quadrix. You guys remember the CEO that died at the exchange and nobody has his keys and nobody can find the crypto. Well, there's come to find out he doesn't have the crypto anyway. And Jesse, the CEO from Kraken here, issued a $100,000 bounty to anybody that can find the crypto. Now, basically, they found the crypto on Kraken. No, that's wild. Kraken CEO issued a $100,000 challenge to find the crypto from the CEO that died, and they found a majority of that crypto on Kraken. So what they were saying is the CEO of that exchange wasn't using cold storage or any kind of wallets. He was just sending his crypto to other exchanges. Interesting. The Fed plays an important role in keeping cash, check, and electronic transactions moving reliably and securely throughout the economy. Now, they just tweeted this right here on March 5th. If you play this
for recurring bill payments and other more sizable transactions, like real estate purchases or security transfers, between and among businesses, banks, and individuals.
The Fed also acts as the government's bank, providing services such as maintaining the Treasury Department's transaction account and issuing and redeeming U.S. government securities. And the Fed is also...
Wow, did you hear that, guys? They're responsible for maintaining the Treasury's accounts.
Responsible for developing certain regulations and supervisory policies for elements of the payment systems.
Wow, regulation and supervisory policies of the payment system.
For example...
Now we know why Ripple Labs is working with them. Just in case you don't know, guys, Ryan Zagone from 2015, Ripple's role in the Federal Reserve's vision for payments. Right here, strategies for improving the U.S. payment system.
Years, the Fed has adopted rules that facilitate electronic collection and return of checks and that limit debit interchange fees.
The Fed also conducts research on payment systems design, risks, and technological innovation, and looks at usage trends to ensure these systems are evolving and keeping pace with the needs of the people and businesses who rely on them.
Evolving and keeping pace. Guys, clearly they're building up to... Well, we know they're working with Ripple Labs, guys. Make a really quick background. The Fed pretty much sent a request out for everybody to send their proposals for a better payment system. Out of all the proposals, Ripple was chosen as the best proposal to the Fed. The Fed Reserve hired McKinsey & Co. to review the proposals. We've covered this multiple times on the show. McKinsey & Co. chose Ripple Labs as the only one with the technology that can underpin the next generation from the hassle of troublesome cross-border payments. And like I said, guys, Ryan Zagone is working with the Fed. I mean, clearly you can see the movie here. Okay, guys, this is part of my 5-minute quick significant XRapid news. The CKJ coin will come down. Smash that coin and subscribe to the channel. Please smash that thumbs up. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. CKJ responds to all comments. And I will see you guys tonight on the live stream XRP After Dark at 9 p.m. It's 6, 7, 8, 9. In about 3.5 hours, we will go live. Much love. Mahalo.